Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. Alright, it's October the 13th. It's a beautiful Sunday. The clouds are just starting to come in. They're calling for rain late tonight. But it looks like we're getting some cloud cover early, but it's still really warm. It's like 18 degrees out right now. And I'm down here with Rocco in the aluminum boat instead of the canoe, because I wanted a little more comfort today, and plus I wanted an anchor. I'm sick of paddling. And the ducks are coming over to see me. The wind's really picking up today. The weatherman, well, they said bad weather was coming, so. But the ducks are coming over to see me. And Rocco's got ants in his pants. Poor old guy. Rookie. Facing the wrong direction. Look at the ducks there, Rock. Well, the duckies are coming over. It was a good call taking the aluminum boat out of the anchor, though. The wind be all over the place. It's so cool. We got a Muscovy to take off and get some air for us. That was just unbelievable footage. I actually reviewed the footage, and anybody that's watching the channel, you saw it this morning. Muscovy got air, and it looks like he did about 500 to 700 feet of air time and landed somewhere in the bulrushes. I'm just going to get the anchor in a better position. The Scovies are come over to see me. Rocco keeps trying to turn in the boat. He's so big that he's taking up the whole section of the boat, but he's having a hard time getting comfy. Canoe's actually more comfortable for you, isn't it, Rock? Duckies are not coming over to me. Get the Muscovies. Lots of wind today. Little giant dog here right ahead in the stream there. Ducks are definitely being lake ducks now. And that's not me panning the camera, that's the wind spinning the boat. These Muscovies are they're definitely a lot more adventurous than the other ducks. So I'm gonna do some whistling here and see if we can get the ducks to come farther. I'll wait till they get a little closer here and we'll do a little more filming for you. Alright, I'm hoping I can catch this here. The Muscovies are, actually they're all trying to fly now. Come on, do something for me. I got the camera running. 4 of them just try to take off on the water at the same time. Of course, get the camera running, they won't do it. Today's definitely the breakaway day for the Muscovies. They get starting. Well, we'll wait and see if we can catch them on footage here. Well, the ducks aren't cooperating here this morning. I'm gonna leave them alone. I gotta go and start cleaning out the barn. We're gonna convert the barn over for to make it into a duck barn for the winter time for them and give it a little more room. So I'm gonna head back there. I got some work to do, and we'll come back this afternoon and give it another crack with the ducks and throw the battery charger on the motor here. Cindy took the boat out with Colby and killed the battery, and I guess the warning sound of the beeping of the electric motor didn't mean anything to her. But we're going to I'll call it a morning, and we'll come back this afternoon.